No, this cannot happen.
It is finished.
I just need one more plate.
And Tunde knew this was no ordinary hunger.
By morning, Kunle acted like nothing happened, but Tunde had seen enough.
Kunle, why are you eating like this?
I don't know. I just want more.
That was when Tunde became sure the food was controlling him.
Mama, something is wrong with that food.
Which food?
The food Kunle keeps eating.
Stay away from that woman.
You know her?
Some hunger is not normal hunger.
This woman is hiding something.
The more they eat, the more they come back.
So this is the secret.
That woman was born in 1968.
What?
And people have feared her for many years.
She was not always a food seller.
Then who is she?
Someone who made a covenant for customers.
I need to find out the truth.
Kunle brought me there. Now he cannot stay away. If that woman is using him, I must find out tonight.
I knew it. She's still here. Whatever she is hiding, I will see it tonight.
What is that sound?
The more they eat you.
The more they eat, the more they come back. Who is there? I know someone is watching. You cannot hide forever. God help me.
She saw me. No, she knows.
Come back tomorrow.
Come back.
No, I already ate.
Come back.
Kunle, wake up. Look at yourself. How did I get here? That food is not normal. I followed you here last night. You followed me. I saw the pot. What pot? The one she uses to call people back.
Look there. Smoke? That is where I